I never felt this way before.
Did you take that chicken to work today?
No.
Where is it?
In the fridge.
No, it's not anymore.
What?
That's what I thought, but I can't see it.
What the hell? If someone ate my chicken, I'll be so mad. Seriously, if someone ate my chicken, that was my dinner. That was my KFC. I was gonna eat that with rice. Someone ate... I'm gonna kill some people. That was my chicken. I wanted to eat that with rice and chili. I have nothing. I have nothing to live for. What am I gonna do for this life? No, I have nothing to live for. I have nothing to live for. I have nothing. You have destroyed me. I literally have nothing to live for because someone stole my chicken out of the fridge. My dinner. How am I ever gonna have a good dinner if someone stole my chicken? I'm gonna call the police. Hello. Someone stole my chicken. Want someone to come here now and fix it. Yeah? Yeah?
What about your tea I made you this morning?
No. Where's my chicken?
What?
I never felt this way.